Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. For this project, I used this little flower pot from Dollar Tree to make a tiare tray lemon tree. This is one of the pots that a succulent was in originally. I first painted the pot with Waverly Plaster chalk paint. I wasn't worried about getting full coverage because I knew I was going for more of a distressed look. I began distressing the pot using Waverly Maize and Elephant chalk paint and dry brushing both colors onto the pot. I picked up this greenery plant wrapped in burlap from Dollar General. I thought it was just so stinking cute. I removed the burlap and cut down the foam at the bottom and arranged everything in the little pot. Next, I cut up the burlap and placed it in the pot on top of the foam around the tree. Now for the lemons. I used 20 8mm beads, and I placed the beads on a small skewer and painted them with the same maize chalk paint I had used on the pot, and then set them on a paper towel to dry. Once the beads were dry, I used hot glue and attached them to the ends of the tree. I had to trim the top leaf off of the greenery, and then I placed a small amount of hot glue in the hole of the bead and then simply slid the bead onto the limb. I found this piece of ribbon in my stash and hot glued it around the top of the pot. This little lemon tree turned out amazing. It actually looks better than what I expected. And look how cute it is on my lemon tiare tray. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!